Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. I'm thrilled to bring you another essential computer science tutorial today. In this video, we're diving into how to reinstall Bluetooth drivers on Windows 11 Perfect if your Bluetooth isn't working, like when your wireless mouse or headphones won't connect. We'll go step by step to get your Bluetooth back on track, and I'll share some tips to avoid common issues. Let's fix your connections and get you paired up again. Stick with me, and let's get started. Alright, here we go. First, press Windows key plus X and select Device Manager from the menu. In Device Manager, look for Bluetooth, click the arrow to expand it. You'll see your Bluetooth adapter, like generic Bluetooth adapter. Right-click it and choose Uninstall Device. Don't worry, this won't break anything. Next, restart your PC. Windows 11 will automatically reinstall the default Bluetooth drivers when it boots up. After the restart, go back to Device Manager to confirm the Bluetooth adapter is back. If it's not, click Action at the top. Then scan for hardware changes to force Windows to look for it. One tip: if Bluetooth still doesn't work, visit your PC manufacturer's website, Dell or HP, download the latest Bluetooth drivers manually. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more awesome tech tutorials. Your support encourages me to keep creating content like this, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments what Bluetooth device you're trying to connect. I'd love to hear. See you in the next video.